You're watching iLovei. My name is Tranell.
I'm Sunny.
You're watching iLovei. My name is Nate.
I'm Tranell.
And we're here in Tatangs today.
Tatang.
Tatangs in North Hollywood. And we actually checked out the food in this place already. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. But Tranell's actually never tried halo halo.
No, first time.
And if you guys don't know what halo halo is, it's mixed.
So what is it? Tell me what it is.
So halo halo is basically shaved ice.
Okay.
And then they put beans, jelly,
Did you hold on?
ice
Time
cream.
out. Did you say beans?
Yeah, they put like these red beans on it.
Like
good.
Okay. All right.
Don't
That's
worry,
different.
it's not like the pinto beans that you put in like a burrito or something.
All right.
It's
Or red
good.
beans and rice.
It's good. But so basically, what you want to do with this thing is you want to mix it up. So they actually put like fried bananas on this one, and this is like your jelly. Ooh, fried bananas. And they got ube ice cream. They got ube paste. So you mix it up.
All right. It's like a Filipino parfait.
I don't know about parfait, but
Hey, I'm just asking, man.
this is like the best thing to eat during the summertime when it's hot. And here in the valley, it's been like 100 degrees.
Melting.
So let's try this. All right, you hit it up first.
Woo!
It's like a mixture of flavors.
Damn, we've been kicking it for this long. Y'all haven't even told me about this?
We're friends now, officially.
Really? Just today?
No, even Mark knows about this. I mean, there's so many different variations of halo halo. Basically, you could put anything on it. You can put like coconut, snaps. You could put like different kind of jellies. Sometimes I'll have like 3 different kind of jellies on it.
Damn.
Different ice creams.
There's like a texture overload right here. You said it's banana?
Yeah, fried banana.
The outside's crunchy. Inside is a little bit mushy because of the banana, but overall the sweetness works together. Now I'm gonna dip it.
This is bomb. All I gotta
Damn.
say is, halo halo is perfect on a hot day. And if you guys know other halo halo spots or any other dessert spots you want us to check out, put it on the comments below.
Tim will eat it.
As long as it's not milk. 'Cause Tim's lactose.
I'm sorry, we just became friends. I didn't know about him. I'm not.
But hey man, I'm glad that you were able to try some halo halo.
Yeah,
It's like traditional Filipino dish
It's
right
perfect. I think now I'm set to go to the Philippines. I think I've gotten all the knowledge I can get. I mean, obviously not yet, because I just found this today, so.
It's
If you
worth
want
it.
to keep it, make sure you drink the tap water.
You'd be like me after drinking. So
I'm a little scared to drink the tap. I mean, is it worse than Flint, Michigan?
do not drink the tap water there. No.
You want to see why it's a third world country?
You'll be stuck in the toilet for like 2 weeks. But thanks for joining us here today. I'm glad you liked it.
Yeah, I'm gonna dip it again.
And also, make sure you guys do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so that way you can watch more videos just like this one.
Subscribe,
Share this with your family and friends,
because I love
and
it.
we'll catch you in the next video.
Peace.